I don't usually go for food deliveries na malayo, pero this one is an exception. Let's talk about this must-try pizza and pasta spot sa may Pasig. Sa pizza, I got the ham and buffalo na may savory ham at creamy buffalo mozzarella. Nagtaka ako para saan yung dahon na kasama ng order, and so I tried it with pizza and improved the taste naman. It added freshness and it lessens the oiliness na naturally nasa pizza. Mas masarap nga pag may arugula. I also ordered this 4-cheese pizza or 4 formaggi. Mas makapal yung dough nito but still ang sarap. I think it would have tasted even better if it was consumed immediately kasi inuna ko pang mag-video. Nasa QC kasi kami at ang Captain Crust is all the way from Bagong Ilog, Pasig. So it took some time before dumating, but still masarap lalo na when you reheat it. We ordered via captaincrust.pickup.ph and have it delivered via Grab Express. Pwede nyo din naman gawin to basta ang delivery is available naman within a 50 kilometers driving distance from Captain Crust location. We also ordered pasta, the classic aglio olio, which was straight to the point, yung anghang, sakto lang, enough to give a kick but not overpowering. Masarap kung may konting alat mula sa parmesan. Tapos may freshness from parsley to lighten everything up. But my new favorite is this Tex-Mex mac and cheese. It's very unique and by its name, it has the flavor profile of nachos na cheesy but as pasta. Imagine that. Basta ang sarap. Sa appetizers, we tried the truffle cheese croquetas which I highly recommend kainin agad to enjoy the texture ng croquetas since it will sag if longer pa. Spinach and artichoke dip naman for me was spot on. Served with garlic bread, creamy, sakto ang alat at hindi nakakaumay. Lasang-lasa yung spinach at artichoke but hindi lasang mapait na gulay because of the cheese. For desserts, speculoos cheesecake and red velvet cheesecake, immediate target ko was the Biscoff. While I was eyeing the Biscoff, I've got to admit the red velvet cheesecake totally won me over. Sa edad natin, ang bilis natin maumay sa too much sweetness but with this, lasa mo talaga yung cream cheese. Hindi tinipid at hindi natatabunan ng sweetness lang. Perfect layers at balance ng flavors. Overall, kahit medyo malayo yung delivery, masarap at sulit naman. If you want to try, order via captaincrust.pickup.ph and get it delivered via Grab Express anywhere in Metro Manila or order online using this online delivery apps. Pwede rin naman walk-in or pick-up. Pause nyo na lang para sa exact location. Try mo na din dali!